Shake, shake. Hi, everyone. This is Yana Smakula, and you are watching the last day of the Crafty Advent Calendar unboxing from Spellbinders. You guys were finally on day 24, and I bet we're going to get this because we haven't yet seen this die set. And I think that's a fun little horseshoe. And because this is the year of the horse, the horseshoe die is very fitting. Let me go ahead and try and open this. I know this is very late, but, well, better late than never. I have thoroughly enjoyed my advent calendar. I had so much fun. More importantly, I created a whole bunch of projects, and I was able to play and experiment with, older products from my stash. If you guys are hearing like a weird noise in the background, that's my kitty playing. I bought her a little musical mouse. So whenever my cats pick the mouse up, it makes that cool kind of noise. It was one of their Christmas presents and they are loving it. So this is our little horseshoe. We even have a 4-leaf clover. So you cut this one twice and just rotate it. You have a little stem for the clover and you have the little details for the horseshoe. The horseshoe itself is 2 pieces. So you have this insert and it says good luck, and then you have the backer piece. So these are the dies. As always, I'm going to pause, work on my video, and I'll be back. Well, my friends, 24 projects with the Advent Calendar are now finished. Yay! This was quite an undertaking, but it was also quite exciting. I really enjoyed creating with the Advent Calendar surprises. Definitely not every day of December because, like you guys can tell, I've gotten quite a bit behind. But nonetheless, this was really fun. I enjoyed opening my Advent Calendar. Crafty Advent Calendar is different from other Advent Calendars. By other, I mean like skincare, makeup Advent Calendars, or like, food Advent Calendars. Because, you open something and you have a little product that you can have an activity with. So this is what I really like about this Advent Calendar. It is an activity Advent Calendar, something that, you're not just spending a minute on it while you open the window for the particular day, but you also have a little surprise that you can create with. I have seen in the comments that some people have been saving their Advent calendars for after Christmas and opening them after Christmas, which is really a neat idea. I didn't even think about it that way, but that really is cool because the Crafty Advent Calendar is not a Christmas calendar. It's a calendar with everyday surprises. So that is kind of neat as well. Well, nonetheless, regardless if you have already opened your Advent calendar or if you were saving it to open after Christmas, or maybe you didn't get the Advent calendar, I hope you enjoyed my videos and I hope you enjoyed embarking on this crafting journey with me. So this is a look at the day 24 card. Loved the little good luck horseshoe die set. And just like with any die set, I added florals just to make it a little bit more girly, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. I experimented a bit more with my molded frame embossing folder. This embossing folder won in one of the categories for the Best of Spellbinders 2025. It won the Spellies Award for the Best Embossing Folder Design for 2025, and I couldn't be happier. If you have been following me on my YouTube channel, you know how much I love this design. It's very simple, yet so very versatile and works with so many different other designs. You can put just pretty much anything on top of this embossed design and make it work. So for this card, I first used the Perfect Touch Rectangles die set, the second largest die, and I cut a panel from alabaster cardstock. I then popped that panel inside the molded frame embossing folder, and it kind of fit in perfectly here. Hopefully you can see this up close. And what this did is this gave me this beautiful edge to my embossed panel. So now I not only have an embossed panel, I also have, a smaller panel with a decorative die-cut edge and then embossing added on top. So that is really cool. And if you have this embossing folder, search your stash. I bet there are other die sets that you can probably use with this folder to have like this cool little decorative edge to your panel. So really love that. I decorated the horseshoe from pink cardstock. I used, let's see, I still don't remember all the color names, but I used tutu and wildberry for the horseshoe. I also used wildberry and saffron for the flowers, along with the cosmic sky. I had some of these left over on my desk. The flowers, they are from one of the previous days from the Advent calendar. The clovers, I have 4-leaf clover over here and 2 3-leaf clovers, as well as the individual leaves here tucked under the flowers. Those were cut from peridot and rainforest cardstock. And then, of course, I couldn't resist adding a little sentiment strip. These sentiment strips from the Ideal Moments sentiments sad, they just make everything better and complete. They act as little sub-sentiments for my cards, and I bet you can tell that I've been using them a lot during my Advent Calendar videos. And lastly, I just added a couple of gems. I used the Color Essential Green gems, and I used them for both the flower centers and to sprinkle them around my little floral arrangement. So love this die set. Now, before I go, I brought in the cards that I created using the Advent Calendar goodies, and I just wanted to quickly, show the cards one last time before I officially close this playlist and this video series for 2025. This doesn't mean I'm not going to be filming more videos. Of course I am, because this is what I do. This is what I love doing. But I just wanted to quickly share some of the other cards. I'm not even sure if I have all of the cards because I have filed many of them away, and I might have even given some of them away already, but I do have them, and here they are. It has been an absolute blast, an absolute pleasure making these cards with the Crafty Advent Calendar, digging into my stash, exploring other products, and simply having loads of creative fun. Thanks so much for joining me today. Love you all, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.